Now we are trying to construct a confidence interval for the population proportion, which will then give us the margin of error of the poll. We now have a categorical variable. We will see a percentage here, and if we had raw data, it would be a list of 420 responses of either liking dogs, maybe not liking dogs, maybe not wanting to respond. We're not sure, but this is categorical. We don't have mean and standard deviation. And with categorical variables, we can either enter counts in categories or raw data. For this assignment, I do not have raw data. That would be something more for the project. For example, like yes, no responses if someone voted, then we could paste in that column of raw data. But for us, we're going to just enter counts in categories. We have 400 total. 57% or 0.57 times 420 are the proportion that said they like dogs. Now that doesn't come out to a round number, so we need to round it so that it's a whole number. We can't have 4/10 of a person. So that's 239 people who like dogs. And the remainder, 420 minus the 239, is 181 who, I'm going to say no/NA. It doesn't matter too much with this one, as long as we have the one that we need labeled correctly there. And then we can double check the percentages. We've got 57% there if we were to round it, 43% there, total of 420, just to make sure those are all entered correctly. We'll make sure that we have the success as like dogs, and then we'll have a 1 sample Z interval at a 99% confidence level to get our lower and upper bounds. Now, the sample proportion is the point estimate. That's the 57 or 56.9%. And then there's a plus minus margin of error to get these numbers. To extract that margin of error, we subtract all the way across and divide by 2. So 0.631 minus 0.507 divided by 2. Or we could put that 1/2 in front. So that's a margin of error of 6.2% or 0.062 as a proportion.